Yeah, little Saru bear. Right, so today we're going to learn our days of the week in Shona. And you're sitting right in front of all the words. Go sit this side, sweetie. No. Move down a little bit. Yeah, that way. Well done. And Mummy will just say the words because I know you girls can't read just yet all the way. They're very big words as well. But the song goes like Sondo. Listen to Mummy. Sondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera. So it starts on a Sunday, and Sunday is shondo. So it's a very interesting sound. It's like shh, like you're about to whistle, but shh, so it comes through your teeth. So we start with Shondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera. You can sing it with me if you get the words. Yes, it's in Shona. You're right. It is in Shona. Well done. Well done. It's Shondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera. Shondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera. Shondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera. Shondo ne muvuro, chipiri ne chitatu, china chishanu ne mugovera.
Makadi tinasi tinoda muvhutaura mazuva ari mukati mevhiki. Rekutanga muvhuro, yechipiri chipiri, rechitatu chitatu, rechina china, mechishanu museve chishanu, yechitanhatu museve mugovera, yechinome museve shondo. Madzidza mazuva evhiki. Bye bye.
Tasangana zvakare muchirongwa chedu cheSarura Kids apo tinodzidzisana mutauro wedu wechishona. Nhasi tiri kuda kudzidza mazuva esvondo nechishona. Tichadzidza tichishandisa karwiyo katendai shasha. Karwiyo aka kanoti tendai shasha akazvarwa nesvondo akabhabhatidzwa nemuvhuro akagara nechipiri akamhanya nechitatu akaenda kuchikoro nemusi wechina akashanda nechishanu akatenga motokari nomugovera. Ndihwo upenyu hwatendai shasha. Saka vazukuru vangu, mazuva edu esvondo anoti svondo, muvhuro, chipiri, chitatu, china, chishanu nemugovera. Ndiwo mazuva edu esvondo. Aiwa, muve nenguva yakanaka pachirongwa chedu cheSarura Kids. Tatenda.
Let's play a little game. Can anybody see the letter K Curly K. Well done. That's curly K. Can anyone see the letter M for mummy? Where's M for mummy? Yeah, there's a M for mummy. Did you say G? Yes, there's a C. Well done. We found the C. Well done. There's a lot of C's. You're right. There's a lot of C's in the days of the week in Shona. Well done. And can anyone see S for snake? Who can see a S? Where is it? No, that's an O, I think you're pointing at. Can anyone see S for snake? That's an I, E for India or igloo. S is the same shape as a snake. So that's a S. So whenever you're looking for a S, you can look for a snake shape, like the evil snake in the Gruffalo. Can anyone see a T for tomato? T. Remember T? That's a T with the cross in the middle. And can anyone see an A for apple? Where's A for apple? No, where's an A for apple?
No, I can't find it.
Okay, have a look for an apple. Okay. Well done, big sister. You found an A for an apple. Well done. Good job. And can anyone find the teddy bear? Yay! That teddy bear is called Saru. Saru, our little teddy bear friend. Yes, we love little Saru. Well done, girls. Very good singing the days of the week with Mummy. And now you know what the days of the week are. Shondo is Sunday. Muvuro is Monday. Chipiri is Tuesday. Chitatu is Wednesday. China is Thursday. Chishanu is Friday. And Mugovera is Saturday. Well done. Okay. What's in the water? What do you see in the water? What do you see in the water? What are those? Dolphins. Yes, well done, girls.